Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another edition of the Pisscutter Olympics. So happy to be racing today for two reasons. One is we're finally racing again, and number two is the Mint Taurus is ready for some action. Has some brand new brake lines in the front with a rear brake delete. I don't have time to fix the rear brakes. Don't need those anyways. So Taurus will be racing today. Ryan's driving the Impaler Impala because Frank Sinatra didn't want to get out of bed this morning. Jamie is driving my Maxima because Ryan got the short end of the stick and had to drive that slow ass Impaler. Bryant is on top of the new Thanos car, the Alero, and Matt is driving Coleslaw, the Volkswagen Passat VR6. We got two ringers today. I'm really worried about the Maxima and the Passat, but I just don't know if they have the skill. So we're gonna head down to the hill climb today. We're doing the Impossible Hill Climb version 2. We're going down a steep cliff, then we gotta go up the hill climb. So there's gonna be lots of action today. Let's get to it. Brian, I gotta tell you something.
What do you gotta tell me?
I'm going all out. You wanna know why?
Why?
Because Hector is running 3 Honda Civics with spoon engines and T66 turbos. And you know what? I can't lose again.
Nope.
Fuck, I lost already! Damn it! I'll have to make up some time, Brian. I have to make up some time. Ooh. Gotta make up time, Brian. Oh, no brakes. Gotta make some time, Brian. These aren't too bad, actually. Oh. We had it! Oh, come on, girl! Oh, okay, here we go. Shift to one. We're in first gear lockdown. First gear! No! We're bogging! Go! Oh, safe spot. Oh! Oh man. What are we gonna do about that spot? That's impossible.
Trying to avoid it?
That's why it's called the impossible. Trying to avoid it. Good idea! Locking first gear. That's a speed, now what? Woo! That's a speed. Trying to jump in. Oh,
Oh! Oh! She got it, she's got it, she's got it.
Woo! Let's do the points. Oh, we did it! Oh! Oh! Oh my god, we made it. You know what? That took a long time, but we might be the only people that make it.
We might be.
Let's see who's next. Alright guys, we're in the Maxima. Jay's ready. He thinks he's ready. We'll see. Maybe I will put my belt on.
It's gonna get crazy.
Let me tell you, you're gonna have to give her if you're gonna beat me. I'm just telling you right now.
No problem.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, go. Yep, Good, 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 good. Right here. Oh, you already beat me. I missed this corner. Oh, no traction. Here we go. Fuck. Go, 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 go.
Where the fuck is the fucking road?
Right here. Oh, slow, 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 slow. Jeez.
Gotta keep the rod in this bitch.
Slow. Oh, we're going slow. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This car's a lot lower than the Taurus with the lift kit. All right, slow down. Hard left. Hard left. Hard left.
Where's this fucking belt off? Can't drive.
I told you to take it off. Is your traction control off?
I think I got a fucking bad tire.
Maybe. Okay. Left, left, left. Now, you're gonna see here, it's a little bit of a rut. You gotta get it going. Oh, we got speed now, boy. Got the speed now, boy. That was a good one. All right, now here we go. This is the real man part here. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah. Here we go, here we go. Got some speed, got some speed, got some speed. Oh, we have no speed. We got no speed. We got no speed, no ground clearance. Oh.
Oh, this is nasty.
Okay, got your traction control off?
Who knows?
Yeah? Oh, we're going too slow. We're going too slow. Oh, we got the speed now, boy. We're too low. Oh, we got the speed now. No, 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 no. Oh,
Oh, we're bad.
back way up.
We're not getting out of here. This is fucking terrible.
So, guys, maybe it was a good idea to let Jamie drive the Maxima.
Traction control off.
That's probably going to help you. Hey, the exhaust sounds better now. Oh my god! What a strategy! Right to the rail! Oh yeah, got the speed now, boy! Here we go, here we go, here we go! Ah! Ah! Oh, you're digging holes now! Oh!
Oh, this is bad.
Jay, tell me how you feel right now.
This is deep. Nobody's getting out of here.
What are you talking about? Taurus just walked right up it. Okay, here we go. First obstacle. Go, we're in the bush. Yeah, get some speed now. Get some speed. We got some speed. Here it comes. The first. Oh, we gotta pass it. We're going. No, we're not. You're in the soft. You're done. You're done.
Oh, come on, you dirty bitch. That's fucking deep. Fuck me. I don't think now this is making it.
Mighty Maxima is gonna make us walk home. You're gonna have to park this and we're walking. I can't see.
Fuck me.
You're parking this. Jamie Kirsten's walking home. All right, guys, hang on a second. Hang on, take it easy. In the Impaler, Ryan's driving. He's never even seen this trail before.
Yeah.
Matt's never seen this trail before, so he's riding along. He's kind of scared to go next, so he wants to scope it out first. All right, so count to 3, we're gonna go.
1,
2, 3, go! Oh, the power! The power! Okay, go left. Go left up here. Oh, yeah! At least you didn't miss it. Okay, coming out here. There's a stump. Here's where it gets steep. It gets steep here. Oh, nice. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Why are you slowing down? Let's get going. I didn't even hit
what the fuck are we doing?
I didn't even hit the brakes going down this hill. Oh yeah, here we go. We're good. Now we got a sharp. There's a sharp left right up here where you can see the bushes. Yeah, sharp left. Right here. Whoa! Nice braking. Nice braking. I'm taking the seatbelt off. Sewing up my neck. Okay, whoa, left, left, left. Nice.
Yeah.
Left. Okay, you're gonna have to give her. We're gonna have to go up here. We're going. We're going. We're going. We're going. All right, we're going. You need to take your traction control off for this part. It sounds like it's to the right, but we're not accelerating. Nice corner. Oh! Power bug! Oh, we got some logs here. Yeah, back it down. Back this piece of crap down. This isn't going anywhere. Okay, alright, here we go. Turn, turn, turn. Don't let off. Oh, you got the right. Keep going, keep going. You got some speed.
Almost.
Almost. Oh, we're in this snap. We got some speed now.
More gas, more gas.
Right in the upper edge. Keep going. Don't let off. Go. Oh, we got some speed. We got a little bit of speed on our side. Yeah. No. Oh. Oh boy. All right, here we go.
Power roll.
Reminds me of me. All right, here we go. We're gonna ride the outside here. Ride the rail. Oh yeah, keep going. Yeah, look it. Yeah, see that? Go, 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 go. Yeah, keep going. Oh no. Oh boy. I don't think so, bud.
I think this one stands the bottom, eh?
Yeah. 2 walks of shame, guys. 1 Minty Taurus to the top. Was it an advantage going first? I don't know. Did I wreck the trail for everybody? I don't care. All right, we're gonna start walking. All right, guys. 4th runner. We got Bryant. He's driving Thanos. I think, Bryant, you're gonna make it because the only person that made it had a green shirt.
Exactly.
And you have a mint green shirt. The mint's on our side. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, power bomb. Turn left up here. Turn left. Oh, you know where you're going. You went with me. Oh, nice through here. Oh, a little slow. A little slow. This part's faster. This is way faster than everybody else. Oh, I think we gotta run here, boys. Oh, we gotta run. Should have put my belt on. Jesus Christ. He's serious. Okay, lefty. Oh, no. Small mistake. Still lots of time. We got an obstacle to run over. We got a bumper here. Okay, left up here. Left. Right here. We're in the bush again. Got the wipers on for more power. Yeah. Oh, nice. We got to run here. We gotta run here, boys. We gotta run. We gotta run here, boys. We gotta run. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Oh, I think you gotta get up there. Oh boy, we're stuck. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's low, yeah. Ride the rail, ride the rail. Yeah. Oh, you got some speed now. Where's Matt? He's supposed to be taping this. Oh, yeah. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my Oh no. Oh. That first entrance was a little bit too aggressive. Oh, we would have just kept the momentum from that though. You would have been flying up there. Wasn't a good idea to drink a whole thing of Gatorade before going up the hill climb. Oh, 180! Not bad! But she got a little bit of vibration at 180. Alright, now we gotta try to get out of here. No problem.